If you want to remove your password unlock on your Samsung Galaxy A36, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, let's open up our settings. Now let's scroll down to our security and privacy tab. Now locate your lock screen tab here. Enter your current PIN and press none or swipe, which means no security. So now if you're gonna try to unlock it, you're gonna have no security. However, if you forgot your password and you need to unlock this phone anyway, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, we have to locate our power button, volume up button and volume down button. We will need those buttons. Now let's hold our power button and volume down button simultaneously. And here let's choose our power off menu. Now make sure to plug in your phone into laptop with this USB-C cable. Now we are to hold our power button and volume up button simultaneously. If nothing is going on, don't worry, you can simply repeat the steps. So let's hold them once again. Great, now let's keep on holding them until we will be into our recovery menu. Here we are. Now let's navigate through it using your volume down and volume up buttons. So locate your wipe data / factory reset. Press your power button, confirm your choice by pressing factory data reset. Now give your phone some time to reformat itself, and now you can simply reboot your system and you will have no password. And basically that's how you do this. However, keep in mind that this option will wipe all of your data. So if you need to save up any data, make sure to use your backup if it's possible. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.